Be careful with your friends because not all your friends are really your friends. Like, be careful.
There are chameleons, they exist in human world.
As we promised you to only bring you real drama, but we will try to make it in a fun way.
When I was 14, I had a close best friend and a boyfriend. We were inseparable, spending most of our time together. My best friend was like a sister to me, and my boyfriend made me feel very special. It felt like my life was perfect, like living in a bubble of happiness and security. Then one day, I noticed something odd. My boyfriend and best friend seemed usually close, unusually close. At first, I brushed it off, thinking I was just being paranoid. But as time went on, their behavior became more suspicious. The truth hit me like a ton of bricks one afternoon when I overheard them talking. They had been seeing each other behind my back.
Eeks.
And everything I believed in came crashing down. Since then, since that day, my life has never been the same. I lost not just a boyfriend, but also a best friend. I felt isolated, hurt, and incredibly lonely. Now, as I am older, I can't seem to love with the same innocence and openness I once had, always fearing another heartbreak. Oh, girl.
My heart goes out to you. But at the same time, I'm sure this confession as a 14-year-old is relatable to everyone. We always meet that one person and that stupid guy who goes behind you. So don't take this too hard because this only happens as a teenager, not as an adult. I'm 100% sure it doesn't happen when in your 20s. Definitely happens in your teens. So don't take it to your heart.
Trust me, you need therapy. You need to talk to someone because this is not how you're going to live your life entirely.
But I can understand that she's having that trust issue with the next boyfriend, that fear of being cheated.
Mm-hmm.
But we all have been at some
Yeah.
point of our life, and it's just learning. It just gets better. You're just one heartbreak closer to someone who's gonna treat you really well. And be careful with your friends because not all your friends are really your friends. Like, be careful.
True. I mean, not everyone who comes and say, "Oh dear, you look pretty and you're nice, you're amazing, and I love you. You're my best friend." Aha, red flag. She's not your best friend.
No.
No, there are chameleons. They exist in human world as well. So please choose your friends wisely, and especially choose your best friends wisely.
But it is true, right? Friends around you can make you or break you. Even how much ever you want to control yourself, want to be like
Yeah.
this inner strength, like you're good enough for yourself. But no, in the end, at particularly such young age, if your friends aren't very nice to you or whatever opinions they throw at you, you take it very, very seriously. So I do
Yeah.
think that friends can make or break you. So it's very important to surround yourself with real people and not fake because there are a lot of fake people. Like, really.
I agree. I agree. And I also feel जितने रिलेशनशिप ब्रेकअप्स तुमको इतना नहीं तोड़ते जितना तुम लोग को फ्रेंड्स का एक्सपीरियंस
Ah.
तोड़ देता है.
Hmm.
At some point, you're going to move on from your relationship, from your boyfriend, girlfriend, जो भी है. But moving on from the friend, It is
It's very hard.
difficult,
Yeah.
very difficult. Because you
And I'm
have most of the time ऐसे होता है कि तुम लोगों ने उस इंसान के साथ you have shared so much, like your deepest
hmm,
secrets and your entire life, or maybe your family secrets,
hmm.
and that is not good.
She must not be so hurt by her boyfriend how much she must have been hurt by her best friend, I think. Because that's more betrayal over a boyfriend kind of relationship. What do you
I
think?
agree. I agree.
In
Yeah.
fact, in our boarding school also we have seen this drama where two best friends have literally physically fought with each other, have scratched each other over a guy who's not even worth it. Not at all. So as a
So true.
teen, it's super, 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 super normal to have these
Yeah.
issues. But this is something you grow from, you come up from, and once you come in your adulthood, you become a little bit more smarter in such decisions. So it's okay.
Yeah. It's okay. But
Or go
yeah,
to therapy.
exactly. Don't live your life essay. Like, just have fun, enjoy.
And make better friends.
Yes.
Okay,
Okay.
so that was something, it was a heavy confession. Okay, it was like heavy.
True.
let's go to the second confession. It's a
Mm-hmm.
interesting one, as we promised you to only bring you real drama, but we will try to make it in a fun way. Okay, here we go. We are both friends working in the same organization, but in different cities. We are preparing for further exams for our career development. Because of these studies, he's not giving me enough time, which leads to argument every week. He wants to take a break between us because of the studies and our arguments for a month. Is taking a break appropriate? Will this be good for us or will it end our relationship? I am an overthinker and he's very practical person. Should I agree to the break? We just started a relationship 6 months ago.
Girl, he is
He
not the
is
one.
not into you. He is not into you and he's just finding a way to break up with you. That's all.
Yeah. This can be one perspective. Studies are affecting so much and you're preparing for it. ठीक है यार, break ले लो. But then work it out. How is it going to be 6 months later? Or keep talking to each other about the situations.
But I think for me, if you have to fight with a guy to to get attention, to pick up a call and speak, just have a normal conversation, and if you have to fight to do that, he's not worth it. He's not interested in you, and most importantly, there are other boys in future you will meet who will treat you much much better. If you have to fight for attention, leave him for your own sake. Okay, just leave him.
Mm-hmm.
What about you? Did you ever had this issue of that you have to fight for attention?
No,
Because I know there were
never.
many, many, many guys fighting for your attention. So I want to know if you struggle the other way around.
No offense to anyone, but guys, I love my life. मैं अपनी फेवरेट हूँ.
You're the real life po. मैं अपनी favorite हूँ.
Yeah. I mean, I just cut people off, like not people off.
Not
I
physically
mean,
cut.
yeah, I just cut people off mentally when I'm like, okay, there's too much going on now, और मेरे को और ड्रामे नहीं चाहिए. थोड़ा
Mm,
दूर.
I think I like that about you, that if a guy is giving you too much drama, you have that much courage that you will next day walk out of it and you will be like, goodbye. I'm not interested. I think I've
I
seen
know,
that multiple times.
I know, I know. And sometimes I'm like, पता नहीं मतलब ऐसे नहीं कि मुझे करने में मजा आता है, but even I like this like जो भी मेरा trait है ये भाग जाने का या फिर just walk out, no drama please, and I don't like कि इतना attention यार मैं नहीं दे सकती, like 24 hours में 24 hour में मेरे पास सिर्फ तू अकेला नहीं है, I have multiple things, I have multiple people, and I have priorities. That does not
Hmm.
mean ki okay if I have a boyfriend and my boyfriend is not a priority. But hello, I just cannot take my time off जो मैं काम कर रही हूँ, or if I'm studying, if I'm working, if I'm talking to my best friend and you call up or you just come in and you're like, just shut everything off. I am here. Hello. Please bye bye tata. Nine.
Maybe I'm a bit
ये नहीं.
opposite to you in that sense. I can make
Mm-hmm.
time for a person I really love, and I can alter my time and adapt to it accordingly. So I feel like in this story, I am the girl and you are the boy in the story.
but in the yeah, okay, relationship के केस में अगर बोला जाए तो okay, I agree. But when it comes to best friend or friends, boyfriends are behind. They are my real people. तू अभी आया है. I know you'll stay longer. Maybe yes, maybe no. But I know they are going to stay forever. They are my people, so they need me. I'm going to them.
That is true, in terms of like choosing a relationship and friendship. For me, like friends have always been a little above over relationship. That's something I completely agree with. If I have a
Yeah,
boyfriend, I will not forget my friends. I will never do that. I will still
yeah.
give you that much time because that is just an additional part and friends will stay for life, but you don't know about the boyfriend.
True.
तो बॉयफ्रेंड के
But
चक्कर में
to
दोस्ती के साथ नहीं मेरे को छेड़छाड़ नहीं कर दी है.
yeah, yeah. बट टू बी वेरी क्लियर कि जितना इम्पोर्टेंट मेरे लिए फ्रेंड्स है उतना इम्पोर्टेंट मेरे लिए बॉयफ्रेंड भी होगा. बट ऐसे वो जो क्या डिस्टरबेंस और ड्रामे जो करना है ना वो मेरे लाइफ में अगर कोई इंसान कर रहा होगा तो नहीं.
Hmm. Like in this case, if there is argument like every call, then it's too much यार. Already
या
life is difficult, उसमें से और difficult चीज क्यों ही पालना है?
या जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड द सिचुएशन, थोड़ा
Hmm.
एम्पैथेटिक हो जाओ एंड या.
So you recommend that she should take a break. She should agree to take a break for a month.
Yeah, I recommend that. Like, because of this, just don't destroy your studies because, again, career is going to be your forever relationship.
It's gonna be your spine.
Yeah, and boyfriend, pata nahi. I mean, if
आते
it
रहते हो.
works, if it works, if you're very serious and if it works, wow. But again, there are walking red flags in this world.
Oh, this got me to this thing that he wants to. So he is working and he's studying. Okay.
Yeah.
That's why he's not able to find time for his girlfriend to talk to. That's why they lead into arguments, right? I saw
Mhm.
this post on Instagram. Let me know if you're able to relate with and let us know in the comments. I saw this post about Virat Kohli during the World Cup. Each time they win the match, even during the rally of their winning celebration in Mumbai, he was on video call with Anushka Sharma with his wife. If that guy is the busiest person, okay, his busiest man, if he can find time to FaceTime his wife and your boyfriend is not even able to call you, now I think you should. The answer is already there.
The conclusion to this story or this confession is he's a red flag in your life.
Yeah.
He's not for you. Walk out, live your life. You'll find someone.
Yeah. And
And
study
focus on
hard.
studies.
Yeah,
Yeah.
study hard, go ahead in career.
Exactly.
Against him, that's the biggest revenge. If you want to take that revenge back, like do a comeback, study hard and go ahead in career than him. It's a sweet revenge.
True. Yes, I agree.
Wow, what an episode. We have shared some hilarious and heartwarming and even cringe-worthy stories about confessions and feelings towards friends, towards boyfriend.
I hope you enjoyed the episode and even found the stories or the confessions relatable. Remember, whether it's a disaster or a dream come true, every confession is a step towards honesty and growth in any relationship. So,
Yeah, until then, you can just tune in our podcast in our on our YouTube channel to find that comfort, because I know sometimes it gets lonely, sometimes your friends are not around you to speak to you, or your best friend can be busy. So we want to be your online best friends so that when you hear us, you feel the comfort, and you can also be part of our conversation by sending your stories, your feedback, your reviews, anything. So, yeah, I hope to see you in the comments. Till then, bye bye.
thank you for tuning in with Chit Chat Chikas. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down. Thank you. Until then, have a fabulous week.